In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor on your Hyundai Elantra located up underneath the dashboard. Underneath the passenger side of the dashboard, if you follow the glove box down underneath, you're going to locate this plastic panel. Now I want to go ahead and remove this panel. There are 3 tabs. There's one here in the middle, and over to the right. You're going to put your finger in there, bring that tab forward, and pull this down. And then while you're pulling down with one hand, release this one, and then do the same on this last clip. Pull on that button forward, drop this down. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. There's just little tabs that lock in to the plastic post in the back, and remove that cover. You want to go ahead and disconnect our electrical connector. Now on the back side here, there's a tab that you can pinch on the back side. You want to pull it in and wiggle this connector. Now sometimes it can be a bugger. You can be really stuck. I'm going to use a small pair of locking pliers here to give me some assistance on pinching that tab. I'm going to pinch and wiggle that connector out like so. There's a little tab on the back side here. We're going to press in on that lock there. Now there's 3 Phillips head screws, one here, and one on the back side. I'm going to use my stubby Phillips head screwdriver to get in here. These are usually short screws. I'm going to apply some upward pressure on that blow motor while I loosen and release this last screw. And then bring that straight down and pull that out. Then take that new blow motor, line that up, push it up into place. I'm going to go ahead and get this front screw put in. I'm going to go ahead and snug that down. It's going to hold that blow motor up in place while I get the other 2 installed. Once these screws bottom out, just give them a little bit more. I want to make sure that's good and snug in there. Just don't over tighten it because you can strip that plastic out. And once those are secured, go ahead and take that electrical connector, line that up. Now go ahead and push it in. Make sure that you feel that click into place. At that point there, I'm going to go ahead and install our under cover. I'm going to install our lower cover here. We need to go ahead and insert these 2 tabs into these 2 brackets in the back. Once those are in, we can simply push up on this. Once that cover is snapped into place, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.